17 times 1,000, so we've got our place value table here. Decimal point is on the column. It's not in a column, it's between the two columns, and the decimal point never moves. So 17 times 1,000, let's put that on. And it's timesing by 1,000. So we're going to be moving 1, 2, 3, because 1,000 is 10 times 10 times 10. So that's 3 spaces. 1, 2, 3. Just go off my grid, but that doesn't matter. The 1 is going to move over to here. So it's going to become 17,000. Again, I'm going to show you one. So you don't need to use this, a place value table. It doesn't have to be beautiful. You can just use some lines or the squares in your book. And now we're going to do 0.2 times 100. Decimal point never moves. And we're timesing by 100, which is 10 times 10, so 2 spaces. 1, 2. The 2 is now going to be in this column. I just need to put a 0 there because I can't leave a gap between a number and the decimal point. So my answer is 20. 17 divided by 10. I'm going to use my place value table here. So remember, your decimal point never has a column to itself. It's always on the line between two columns. And your decimal point never moves. It's your numbers that move. So 17 divided by 10. So that's 17, and we're dividing by 10, so it's going to move 1 space in the place value table. So that 1 is going to move 1 space smaller. We're dividing by 10, so that 1 is going to be here, 1.7. Now again, I'm going to show you how you can do this just using the squares in your book, or just by drawing some lines. You don't need a beautiful place value table. So if I draw some lines here, and I'm going to be doing 93 divided by 100, there's my decimal point. Make sure the decimal point never moves. It's divided by 100, so the trick is that it's 2 zeros, so it's 2 spaces in the place value table. Or you can think of it as we're dividing by 10, so I start with a 9. Dividing by 10 moves 1 space, dividing by 100 moves 2 spaces. So 9, the 9 would move to this column here, so it's 0.93.